Hello everybody, welcome to Colombian Tours. Today I am at the Plaza de Bolívar de la ciudad de Bogotá in the city of Bogotá. And yes, he is the man, Simón Bolívar. And this plaza is in honor to his glory and to all the independence that he did for 5 countries, actually 6 countries, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Peru, Bolivia, and also Panama. So here we are, right here in the center of the Plaza de Bolívar de Bogotá. Welcome to Colombian Tours. Enjoy my show today. Okay, right here from the Plaza de Bolívar, I'm going to show you this beautiful square right here in the centro of la ciudad de Bogotá, of the city of Bogotá, the capital of the Republic of Colombia. And I'm going to start by there. You see in my back, there's the Cathedral of Bogotá, la Catedral Primada de la ciudad de Bogotá. That's the Archbishop's Palace. And also, here's the Capitolio Nacional, where the Congress, we are a bicameral country, so there's the Senate on this left side and the Camera on the right side. And there you have the Bogotá Mayor's office, the Alcaldía Mayor de Bogotá. That's the Palacio Líbano. And in front of you, where I'm showing you, is the Palacio de Justicia, the Justice Palace of Bogotá. Back there, that city you see in the distance is the mountain of Monserrate, one of the tutelar mountains of this capital city of Colombia. Welcome to Colombian Tours. Let's check around the Plaza de Bolívar of Bogotá. Hey, remember to subscribe to my channel, Colombian Tours. You only have to hit the subscribe button and enjoy all the moments I'm going to show you from my country, Colombia. My name is Nestor Melendez, and enjoy the Plaza de Bolívar of Bogotá. In my back, I have La Catedral Primada, the Cathedral of Bogotá. Is the main church of Colombia for the Catholic faith. And here in Colombia, most of the people are Catholics, but many also are new Christians or newborn Christians or evangelical faith. But Colombia has a constitution that permits liberty of all faiths. So you can find many religions over here in Colombia. But at the beginning, we in Colombia, we're only Catholics. So that's the Catedral Primada, the Cathedral of Bogotá. And we're lucky. Not every day is open. So we're gonna check it out to see a beautiful cathedral. So you can see it in my program, Colombian Tours. Come on, guys. Remember to follow my show. It is easy. You just hit the subscribe button and do it very easily. Colombian Tours, let's walk into the Catedral Primada of the city of Bogotá, of the cathedral. You know what this is called? This is called the Altozano. These little stairs you see here. And let's get in. This is the tomb of the founder of the city of Bogotá, the Spanish conquistador Gonzalo Jiménez de Quesada. Right here in the cathedral, en la Catedral Primada de Bogotá. Okay, this is the east part of the Congress of the Republic of Colombia. Actually, this is where the Senado de la República operates, the Senate of Colombia. Colombia's bicameral has representatives camera or chambers of cameras, and also the Senate of the Republic. And here we are in the Senate. This part, the east part, is the east wing, is where the Senate is located. This is Colombian Tours right now from the Plaza de Bolivar of the city of Bogotá. Okay, here we are in one of the corners. Actually, this is the west corner of the Plaza de Bolivar, the southwest corner of the Plaza de Bolivar of la ciudad de Bogotá, of the city of Bogotá. There, you see the beautiful streets. The city goes directly to the president's house. This is the Carrera Octava, and as you may see, it is closed. These are some of the rails that were used by the tranvía, or the city rail of the city of Bogotá. And look at this beautiful street called La Calle del Divorcio. They say it was called the Calle del Divorcio because there was the jail, the women's jail was very near, and the men's jail were also near. So every time that everyone happened to pass by over here, they could get divorced. This is Colombian Tours, and I'm going to show you one of the special buildings of the city of Bogotá. It's the mayor's office of the city of Bogotá. Actually, it's the Palacio Líbano, called Palacio Líbano. It was built by a French architect called Gaston Lelarche, who came to Colombia at the end of the 19th century and built many, many institutional constructions, like this, La Palacio Líbano. Before, the Palacio Líbano was actually the first mall that was located over here in Bogotá. Was called Galerías Preciado, but a fire caught in Galerías Preciado, and many things got burned during that time. So enjoy, please, the architecture and the Alcaldía Mayor de Bogotá, the Bogotá Mayor's Office, el Palacio Líbano. And in my back, you can see the Palacio de Justicia, the Justice Palace. Back in November of 1985, something... no quiero foto con la llama. Thank you. They're asking me if I want a photo with the llama and a picture with the llama, and I don't want it right now. I'm doing my show, Colombian Tours. You can follow me, subscribe. I'm going to tell you the story back here, the history back here. Back in 1985, an incident happened that the guerrilla of the M19 overtook violently the palace, and the palace got burned totally. Many people were killed by the guerrilla and also by the military armed forces that overtook the palace with excessive use of force. That's what history tells, and that's what history says about. Many people, many innocent people got dead during that battle that happened over here, right in the center of the capital of Colombia, right here in the center of Bogotá. Years later, they reconstructed the palace, the Palacio de Nariño, and as you may see, they keep on working, doing some renovations to this Palacio de Justicia. Up there you can see a phrase said by Santander, Francisco de Paula Santander, which also was another one of the heroes of the Colombian independence. And it says, it reads, Colombianos, las armas os han dado independencia, las leyes os darán libertad. Colombians, guns have given you independence, laws will give you liberty. This is the Palacio de Justicia of Bogotá. This is Colombian nestormelendez.tours, right here from the Plaza de Bolivar, de la ciudad de Bogotá. Colombian nestormelendez.tours. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for being here. Okay guys, right here in my back is the Casa Museo de la Independencia, la Casa del Florero, the flower house. It is known because right here in this house there was a guy called Jose Llorente, and he owned a store, a general store over here. And the people that wanted the independence of Colombia in those times armed a revolt with an incident with a flower vase. They came to ask if he lend them the flower vase for a celebration they have, a commemoration they have to an envoy of the King of Spain. That was a market day in the Plaza of Bogotá, the Plaza de Bolivar, which wasn't named Plaza de Bolivar in those times. It was called Plaza de Armas. And right here in this house, all the independence of Colombia started. That date was July the 20th, 1810. And this is the Casa del Florero, where Colombian independence really started.